Kumari N.V. Arshida, daughter of Sri N.K. Venkata Subramanian and Srimati K. Chitra. She is 8 years old. She is studying 3rd standard in DAV Public School, Velacheri. She is learning Bharatanatyam for the past 3 years. She has performed her Chalangai Puja in 2012. She is now under the tutelage of Guru Srimati Malini Balaji, Director Udikshana Sangeeta Vidyalaya, for her advanced training in Bharatanatyam. This is her special performance. She is also learning robotics and drawing. She has participated in various inter-school competitions like dance, drawing, fancy dress, storytelling, etc., and won several prizes. Arshida will be performing Bo Shambho in Ragam Revati set to Talam Adi. This beautiful composition of Sri Sri Dayananda Saraswati Swamigal is a very famous piece in Bharatanatyam. This song is on Lord Shiva, the Swayambho, who is controlling the Panchabhuta, Bhumi, Agasham, Vayu, Neer, Niruppu. Bo Shambho, Ragam Revati, Talam Adi.
Shiva Shambho Swayambho Bo Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho Bo Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho Bo Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho Gangadhara Shankara Karunakara Mama Bhavasagar Gangadhara Shankara Karunakara Mama Bhavasagar Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho Nirguna Parabrahma Swarupa Gama Gama Bhuta Prapancharanita Nirguna Parabrahma Swarupa Gama Gama Bhuta Prapancharanita Nirguna Parabrahma Swarupa Gama ಶಿವ ಶಂಭೋ ಸ್ವಯಂಭೋ ದಿದಿತ ದಿದಿತ ದಿದಿ ದಿದಿ ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತೋ 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 ತರಿ ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತೋ ದಿದಿತ ದಿದಿತ ದಿದಿ ದಿದಿ ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತೋ 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 ತರಿ ಕಿಟ ತೋ ಮತಂಗ ಮುನಿವರ ವಂದಿತ ಈಶಾ ಸರ್ವದಿಗಂಬರ ವೇಷಿತ ವೇಷ ಮತಂಗ ಮುನಿವರ ವಂದಿತ ಈಶಾ ಸರ್ವದಿಗಂಬರ ವೇಷಿತ ವೇಷ ನಿತ್ಯ ನಿರಂಜನ ಮೃತ್ಯುದ ದೇಶ ನಿತ್ಯ ನಿರಂಜನ ಮೃತ್ಯುದ ದೇಶ ಈಶಾ ಸವೇಶ ಸರ್ವೇಶ ದಿದಿತ ದಿದಿತ ದಿದಿ ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತೋ 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 ತರಿ ಕಿಟ ತೋ ಮತಂಗ ಮುನಿವರ ವಂದಿತ ಈಶಾ ಸರ್ವದಿಗಂಬರ ವೇಷಿತ ವೇಷ ನಿತ್ಯ ನಿರಂಜನ ಮೃತ್ಯುದ ದೇಶ ಈಶಾ ಸವೇಶ ಸರ್ವೇಶ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಿವ ಶಂಭೋ ಸ್ವಯಂಭೋ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಿವ ಶಂಭೋ